least if I die, there'll be footage.
Yo, what's up?
Morning, sunshine.
Let's go.
You ready?
Already made breakfast.
I was surprised you did text us.
I had my normal breakfast this morning at 5:15, and then I took a shower. I did all sorts of housework. I don't know. It's weird. It's a weird Saturday.
I've been blind for a while now. I just got the key, they let me in, no ID. Doors opening up for me and now I see. I've been blind for a while now. I've been blind for a while now. I've been blind. Hey! Every single goddamn day, nigga think he next to who made a bust.
I thought they were gonna give me like the whole thing of coffee. It was taking so long. God damn. Puts us like Dozers gonna beat us to his own spot now. We're trying to beat him.
Yeah, we're 3 hours away. He's out of. I don't even know how far he is from it actually.
I get on like 45 minutes from the spot.
I look like a baby, and now she runs like a cheater.
Already filming. We didn't just drive 3 hours for nothing. Yeah, what's up with you two in the hat?
I got it first.
His hat.
Yeah, whatever, dude.
In your settings now, dude.
Yeah, I don't know what
He doesn't trust what you got going
Well,
on.
no, so now it matches Luke's camera.
Working with no funnel. And a full 5-gallon can of BP. You got it. That was pretty good.
That's a
That was not
smooth
epic
pour.
enough to get the camera out for.
No.
Looks good. I cleaned it up for the camera. I thought Adam had a bad gear
Hey,
bag.
you guys were talking shit about my gear bag. This guy comes in straight up grocery bag, plastic grocery
Well, let
bag.
me tell you what we got here. We got some special edition, not so special edition, 2021 FXI. Pair that with the white gloves today. Ooh, looking right. Go through my bag of tricks here.
Lay. Sir. Yeah.
Kane is in the building.
Alright, already the show goes on all night. Till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come to the show. What's up? I just laugh, put my kicks up on they desk, unaffected by they threats, then get busy on they ass.
The amount of sand in my eyeballs.
That's how my daddy raised me. That glittering may not be gold, don't let nobody play me. If you are my homeboy, you never have to pay me. Don't and put your hands up when times is hard, you stand up. You be the man, cause I'm brand at the fan. Trust me, even if they ban us, they'll never slow my plans up.
I hear the old dog coming with some pepper.
For the kids in the ghetto, 4 for the kids that wanna be there, 1 for the niggas that wanna be back, 5 for the teachers not scared to tell those kids that's living in the ghetto that the niggas holding back that the world is theirs. Yeah, yeah, the world is yours. I was once that little boy, terrified.
What's up? It's 34. We're not washing the bikes. All we're doing is a filter. Pray for these things.
Please.
Like,
up,
hold on.
Adam?
Well, as you can see, you know, it's not good. But hold on. Oh, don't mind the frost. Let me just wipe that off quick. This guy looks like he just bought the bike. Unbelievable. We're out here 7 a.m. It's cold. It's 30 degrees. Fuck your seat.
I'll give the man the respect. Whoa! Whoa!
Of course.
Got the big wrench on the block here.
The man. What do you mean he needs an air filter change? Look at this thing. It's pristine.
He was on the gas. I thought he was gonna need it.
It's still glistening.
Yep. Nope.
Your rider was on the pipe. I figured for sure a filter.
Dude, what's up with this Yamaha? This bike's faster than everything in this garage.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got.
You got that thing figured out there, Suzuki Tech?
Day 2. Suzuki Bike Works already done. We're deep in the heart of the Yamaha right now.
Adam's beating me right now.
Oh, I have to hold Adam's hand the whole way around. Oh, where's your air compressor? Your blow nozzle. Oh, do you have a garden hose with water? Oh, I didn't clean this good enough. Wait here with the hose while I clean it again. I got bike work on my own to do, dude, and I got breakfast waiting for me. So I'm done holding hands. He can do his own work. I'm gonna do me over here.
I'm just gooping the
Dude, it just looks
molasses on there.
just paste. It's just paste.
No, look how thick the oil is.
Like, what is in your guys' oil?
34 degrees outside. Is
Yes.
So he tells me, I see nothing wrong with this bolt. I don't know if you can see that.
Oh, let's get in there. Got terrible lighting.
But
Yeah, I just got it there. That's perfect. No threads.
so
halfway
he
through.
said left side only.
Left side on that one. Apparently that one won't grab on the right, only left. There we go.
Oh,
You know what they say, cross threads are better than no threads.
this guy just doesn't ever wash his bike. He just sends it. So here we are.
Well, like we said, guys like myself and Adam, we don't get bikes just handed to us for free. Oh, here you go. Do whatever you gotta do. Oh, your cough's dry. Anyway, look at Adam. He's over here
Oh, thanks for the duct tape, by the way.
slapping on his knee braces with a roll of duct tape.
What's to say? What you? It's fine. Just put. We're good.
Can we start a GoFundMe for Get Adam knee braces?
Oh my God! Look at this thing. This thing's fresh. Got Luke the mechanic on it.
Whoa! You don't have to be saying that. What did I say? What
It
did I
sounds
say?
like a Nintendo sound.
No, what did I say? Listen.
I know. I was feeling good, and then he just absolutely
only in second at best.
What?
Second gear.
I know. It clicked there when it
It
fell.
clicked like 7th gear.
When I fell over, you fucker.
You're coming in too high in the beginning. You want to be a little lower there so your arc goes deeper into the middle, and then you're going to come out before that.
You want to show them?
You're hitting hard in the beginning, and you hook up, and you just go straight to where you are. Okay. You want me to show them?
We'll be here for a while.
I filled your cases up with this sand. Look at dude. Good. You're living up to the freestyle fall name after that. That was sick. I didn't see the other side, but that was a no-footer, right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.